Where to place humidifier in grow tent. A humidifier can help to increase the humidity levels in your grow tent, providing your plants with the moisture they need to thrive. But where is the best place to put a humidifier in a grow tent? Grow tent. A grow tent is a portable, enclosed environment that is specifically designed for growing plants indoors. Grow tents can be outfitted with lights, ventilation systems, and other accessories to create the perfect conditions for plant growth. Types of grow tent humidifiers. There are two types of grow tent humidifiers, those that use soft water and those that use hard water. In general, however, soft water is better for plants because it's less likely to cause mineral buildup on leaves and stems. Best humidifier for grow tent. When choosing a humidifier for your grow tent, some of our top picks for humidifiers for grow tents include the Honeywell HCM 350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier and the Mistair Mu 210 Silent Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. DIY humidifier for grow tent. The best DIY humidifier for grow tent will vary depending on the specific needs of your grow tent. Some popular choices for DIY grow tents include ultrasonic humidifiers, evaporative coolers, and recirculating mist systems. Humidifier for 24 grow tent. The best humidifier for a 24 grow tent would be one that can generate enough humidity to maintain the ideal range for your specific plants. There are many different options available on the market, so it is important to consider the size of your grow tent and the types of plants you are growing before making a purchase. Where to place humidifier in grow tent. The general rule of thumb is to place humidifier in grow tent as close to your plants as possible. This way, the humidifier will add moisture directly to the plant's environment, and they will be more likely to benefit from it. How to raise humidity in grow tent without humidifier. The best way to raise humidity in a grow tent without using a humidifier is to take advantage of the moisture that your plants produce. These type of plants release more moisture into the air than smaller plants. Evaporative humidifier for grow tent. The water then evaporates into the air, increasing the humidity in the grow tent. One of the benefits of an evaporative humidifier is that it is very efficient at adding moisture to the air. Humidifier-dehumidifier combo for grow tent. Using a humidifier/dehumidifier combo in a grow tent is an effective way to regulate the temperature and humidity levels inside the tent. By having both devices in one unit, you can save space and money compared to buying two separate units.